Let's make some yummy food.
Leah, what's happening? Let's run! Ah! Leah, it's raining colored ball pit balls?
Yeah.
How is that even possible?
How did something happen?
Let's go before it rains again.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut.
Colored balls again? Leah, let's get out of here.
Let's go.
It's raining ball pit balls again? Leah, it rained colored ball pit balls again?
Yeah.
We really need to find out who did this.
Yes.
Let's go.
It's working.
Anwar, do you know anything about these raining colorful ball pit balls?
Yes, that's my experiment.
It's raining everywhere.
It rained everywhere? Oopsie, sorry guys.
You're gonna have to clean all of this mess up, Anwar.
Oh man, do I have to?
Come on, Anwar, let's go.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to
subscribe.
subscribe. Bye.
Oh no, my car's broken. I need to call Anwar.
Oh, it's Leah. Hello?
Anwar, I need your help. My car's broken.
Oh, it's broken? Okay, I'll help you. Okay, Leah, I'm gonna push the car so we can get to my shop.
Okay.
Okay, Leah, have a seat so I can fix your car.
What are those kids up to? I have an idea.
Huh? Chocolate? Who did this? Leah, did you do this?
Chocolate? I want some chocolate.
Look, Leah, it's chocolate tools.
Yeah. Yummy.
Look, guys, a chocolate hammer. Yummy.
It's yummy. It was Mommy doing it.
Surprise, guys! It was me.
Leah, I fixed your car.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Bye.
Yummy noodles. I'm coming.
Ooh, noodles.
Uh-oh.
Leah, what are you doing? Leah,
Yeah.
eating noodles?
No.
Telling lies?
No.
Show me your hand.
Okay.
Noodles? Those are my noodles. You need to have your cereal. These are my noodles. You have cereal.
Watch this, guys.
Awesome!
Look, guys, noodles.
Wow, Leah, that looks so cool.
Yeah.
Can we make more?
Sure.
Okay, Leah, where's your Play-Doh?
I don't have any more.
I have an idea. Why don't we go to the store and buy some more Play-Doh?
Sure.
Let's
guys.
Can we buy some Play-Doh, please?
Sure, we have plenty. That will be $20, please.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot for Play-Doh. Okay, Leah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Have fun.
Okay, Leah, we have lots of Play-Doh now. Do you want to make some pink noodles?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow! Look, Leah, look at the pink noodles.
Wow.
That's so cool. Leah, let's try purple next.
Yeah.
Wow! Look at those purple noodles. So cool. Okay, Leah, let's try the color blue.
Okay.
Wow, so cool. Wow, look at our colorful noodles, Leah.
Them will look really cool.
I have an idea. Let's make rainbow noodles.
Yes, we will do that.
Okay, Leah, let's turn it and see what's gonna come out. Turn, turn, turn.
Wow.
Rainbow noodles! Wow, they're all mixed together. Whoa, Leah, look at our rainbow noodles.
Them will look really cool because them will have so much color.
Yeah, they're all mixed together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Leah,
Yeah?
can I have some tea, please?
Sure.
Leah, I'm kind of hungry. Can we have some lunch, please?
Okay, Rapunzel.
Ooh, that looks like a cool doll. I want it.
My Rapunzel's gone.
I'm all ready for the first day of school, guys. I got all my supplies in here.
It will come true. Then the greatest victory will be that which has no battle.
But how do we prevent a war? How do we we know so
Our apologies for this interruption. We have been receiving complaints that kids are missing their school supplies. We believe that this person is responsible for the disappearing of the school supplies. If you see this person, please contact the police right away.
Oh my goodness, guys. We better check if my school supplies is still there.
I see a house over there. Maybe they have some school supplies that I can take.
I see the robber, guys. She's in my backyard. I need to call the police. Hello, hello? Yes? Is this the police? Yes, what's the problem? Can you help me? There's a robber in our house. Yes, I'll help you. I'll be there in a sec. Okay, thank you.
Oh, I see a nice Lego Ninjago backpack in there, guys. There must be some really cool school supplies there.
Hey, you! Finally got you. No more stealing school supplies for you. Now you're going to jail.
You're gonna have to catch me first.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that. Get back over here. She's fast, guys. Whoa! Not so fast. You're going to jail.
Oh man, guys, I'm in jail. I just wanted to have some school supplies too. I promise I won't do it again.
I'm glad we caught the robber, guys. Never take something what's not yours. Here you go, guys. I got your stuff back. Thanks, officer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.